back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am bringing to you another unboxing, and this is for Honey's Handmade. I got 2 different boxes because I ordered on 2 different occasions, but I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing in one video. So the first box that I got was when they were having a sale. They had some of their stuff for like 50 cents and $5 and things like that. So I thought that I would try some things when it was 50 cents. Now, the things that are 50 cents are the samples that they have. So they're 2-ounce products. So in this particular unboxing, I picked up the Hawaiian Alea, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Red Salt Balancing Deep Conditioner. It looks like this. And I don't know if you guys have tried this or not, but I wanted to give it a try because it was only 50 cents. So I picked that up. The other thing that I picked up for 50 cents was the sea moss, maca, and bamboo healthy hair growth mask, and it looks like that. Hopefully you can see that. So I've never tried these 2 conditioners, so I wanted to try them. So those were 50 cents. I couldn't pass that up. The next thing I picked up was the Honey's Handmade Moisture Replenishing Collection Honey Cleansing Buttermilk Shampoo, because I've never tried one of their shampoos. I did try their cleansing, I believe it was called cleansing rinse or something like that, and I really liked it. I'll put the name of it on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. And I believe I've talked about it in a few of my I may have even done a review on it. I'm not sure. If I can find a review on it, I'll link it as well. But I have tried that before and I really liked it. So I said, well, let me try the shampoo. It has a nozzle as well, so maybe I will like it too. So I picked it up, and this was actually $10. So I don't think that this was on sale, but I wanted to try it because I like the other one so much. So I was willing to pay that price. Okay, and the last thing I got in this particular box was the Caribbean Hibiscus Black Tea Conditioning Serum, and it was only $5. And I'm not sure why I picked up a serum. Let me see what you're supposed to do. I'm not sure why I bought this, but it looks like it's an oil, and it looks like basically you're supposed to put it in a bowl or in a bowl with hot water and let it steep and get warm, and then you kind of use it like a hot oil treatment or something like that. So so I will try it and see. So I will let you guys know how I feel about these products when I use them. And the other box I got in was a really good sale, and I believe I told some of you about this sale on my community tab. So Honey's Handmade was having a sale on some of their products, and I mean, they had their products from $1 something up to their regular price. So you just had to kind of go on there and see which ones you wanted to try and see what was on sale, because they were only certain things that were on sale. And so of course cards come in the box. And then they have alert in here. So it's talking about the shortages that they're experiencing with some of their vendors and their bottles and things like that. So I'll look at that in a minute. That is not what they got a lot of little things in here. That's not what this video is about. So see if I can get rid of some of those so I can get to the product. So what I got in this box was the Honey and Hibiscus Conditioning Mask that I wanted to try. And this mask is 8 ounces and it was on sale for $5. Can't beat that with a stick. The other thing I picked up was the Bentonite and Sea Clay Deep Conditioning Mask. And this one was $7 for 8 ounces. There we go. Still a very good price, so I wanted to try it because I know that I like their leave-in. I like the one hair rinse that I talked about that cleansed the hair. And then there was the deep conditioner that I tried from their Melba's line. I believe it was like greens or something like that. I did like that. And I've tried another deep conditioner and I thought it was kind of thin. It was just okay. So I wanted to try some other ones just to see how I felt about them. And because they were so cheap, I was like, now's the time to pick them up. So the next thing that I picked up was the Black Soap Honey and Avocado Co-Wash. And it was only $6 for 8 ounces. And you guys know how I feel about co-washes. I love to co-wash at times. And yeah, I can't wait to try it. So I do like to co-wash. I do shampoo as well, but I really like to co-wash more and then shampoo a little bit less frequently. And then, and I know a lot of people don't like that, but I don't have a problem with it because I do my hair so frequently that I don't tend to get a whole lot of buildup on my scalp or on my hair strands. I try to use products that don't build up. So I don't use anything with silicones and things of that sort. Now I know that some things I use have beeswax in it and it can build up after time, as well as some other things. But I do shampoo my hair enough where I don't feel like I am damaging my hair by co-washing, if you understand what I'm saying. So and I know when to use co-wash and I know when not to, and when I need to do a deeper cleansing. So I do incorporate shampoos in my regimen. So the last thing that I got in this line was the Righteous Roots Manuka and Marshmallow Root Moisture Minute Deep Conditioner. So this was only $1.25, but again, it's a 2-ounce jar. It looks like this. So for $1.25, I was like, let me pick it up and try it, see if I like it. And if I do, I can always go back and get the bigger jar. So anyway, it's pretty thin as well. So it seems that a lot of their products are really thin, and it's probably because they're using really, really good ingredients in them. And I don't know. So I got those things. So, I mean, you can't beat that with a stick. So basically an 8-ounce co-wash, 2 8-ounce deep conditioners, and a sample deep conditioner for less than $20. Less than $20. You can't beat that with a stick. So anyway, so those are the things that I picked up from Honey's Handmade. Hopefully, I'll be coming to you soon with some reviews on some of these things. Let me know, have you tried any Honey's Handmade products recently? If you have, leave it in the comment section below what you've tried, whether you liked it or not. If you have used any of the things that I picked up, let me know how you like those, what's the best way to use them, and things of that sort. I love to hear from you. I like it when you guys comment in the comment section. We kind of have a dialogue going back and forth. I like it when you give me suggestions. Now, everybody's hair is different, so you know some suggestions I may not be able to take or may not work for me, and that's fine. I don't want you to get offended if it doesn't work, but just like me, the suggestions that I make to you may not always work, so we just got to keep that in mind. But I do like the dialogue, so, and I try to answer all my comments, so as long as you're commenting to me, I'll try to comment back to you. So yeah, if you like this video, you like this unboxing, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Please follow me on Instagram, and until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.